Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to take you guys along. That I know that it's difficult now to bring out your phone when you go to hospital or to any public place to video and start recording, but I will just try and see if I can video a bit. I'll be going for control in the hospital already in my third trimester, the first week of the third trimester. So I'm going for glucose screening test. I've not eaten since morning and now is 5 minutes after 10. I have the appointment by 10:40. So you're not expected to eat anything. You can drink water if you want, but you don't need to eat anything starting from 12 midnight of the previous day. So I'm not taking anything. So basically how they do it, you come for the test, they take your blood sample, they take your urine sample as well, then they do glucose test, and after taking your test they will give you a bottle of glucose. It's very sugary. Like when I say it's very sugary, I don't like that test at all, but I have no option, I have to do it. So they will give you that bottle of the glucose mixture, you will drink it. After a while they will still take your test again, your blood test, your urine test. If your glucose level is high, it means you have high blood sugar. But the first one I did when I was pregnant for Mona, my glucose level was still normal after I took the mixture. So today I hope it will still be normal. Let me show you my belly bump. Yeah, this is my 28 weeks belly bump. A lot of people are telling me that my stomach is so huge. Some people keep asking me how many babies are in there. Why is your stomach so huge, guys? Like before I reached this stage, when I was 3 months gone, if you see my stomach, people are telling me, are you giving birth so soon? Like your stomach is so big. Leave it for me like that. Is it not my stomach? Is it your stomach? People will like to body shame you, sure, but I don't give a damn. So guys, let's go. I will show you when I reach the hospital. I don't think I'll be vlogging much, but anyways, if I vlog much I will still show you, but otherwise we will see in the hospital. Ciao guys. It's not easy. I got tired of trekking. See the way I'm panting. So I will just wait for the bus now. I'm not trekking again, I beg. No be by force. No person send me. So I will just wait for the bus to come and I will take the bus. I'm almost there, like almost I think less than 10 minutes, but I'm not walking again, I beg. I don't try. Let me wait for bus, I beg. Since I'll be taking the bus, I need to put on my nose mask. The bus will soon be here in a few seconds. I can hear the sound of the bus. It will soon be here. I can't wait. Oh, my legs are heavy now. I can't wait to sit down. Yeah, here is the bus. Here is the bus. Talk to you guys later. You sit down here. This is the outside view. Nobody is inside the bus. I'm the only person in the bus because this is not the rush hour. Everybody has gone for work and children have gone to school. So I'm the only person inside the bus. Talk to you guys later. Ciao. I'm out of the bus. I'm going in now. This is the place I'm going. It's not general hospital, but this is the place I see my doctor, my private doctor. Hello. They have already taken my blood sample and urine sample, and I was handed in this glucose mixture, which I'm expected to finish it within 5 minutes. So I'm just getting myself ready, shaking up the mixture, because once you open it and start drinking it, you have to finish it within 5 minutes. It has a bit of lemon taste in it, but the sugar content in this glucose mixture, like I can't even explain that, it's so much. It's very hard to drink, but I just try my best. I'm done drinking it, so I'm waiting now for them to run the test so I see my doctor, and I'm reading my books because of my exams, so I had to carry my book along with me, and I'll be sitting here for 2 hours, guys, like 2 hours. I can't just sit here 2 hours and while away the time, so that's why I'm reading. I noticed that what I was saying here wasn't coming out that much, so I started to do voiceover as well. You know, this is a hospital, I can't be shouting, so I had to lower my voice, but it was difficult to hear out what I was saying, so I'm doing voiceover for you guys so it will not be boring. I'm done with the test, guys, and I'm so hungry. While coming for the test, you'll be advised to come with food, because after the test you will feel so hungry, because this is fasting test, they call it fasting test. So after the test you will be hungry that you want to swallow an elephant. So I came with my food. I have my coconut rice here. I dey hate no be small oh, like so hungry. I don't even think I'm biting on the rice, I think I'm just swallowing it. But we move, guys. I use the glucose mixture container to fetch water from the sink, which I'll be drinking. Don't mind the way I'll be eating this food, cause I too dey hate show. Hunger dey wire me here, like I was so hungry, so I had to just swallow everything. Don't even know if I'm biting on the rice very well. I just swallow everything they go. I was supposed to go back to school after the test, but guys, after eating this food I just headed back home, went straight to bed and dozed off. So I'll be using the glucose mixture container to take out water from the sink to drink, because I did not carry water. I forgot to tell you guys that the result was okay, like everything was okay. Before I took the glucose test, my blood sugar was 3, and after the glucose test my blood sugar was 7. So I'm so happy. I'm done with the doctor's visits. I just want to end the vlog here. Thank you so much for watching. Bye, and see you in my next one.